welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Now students, as you can see, our today's video topic is Practice Paper 1 Part 2. Now kids, in our previous video, we have discussed Practice Paper 1 Part 1. Yes, it was the first practice paper that we have started. Now in that practice paper, we have done part 1. Now kids, in part 1, we have taken the sums related to subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication, IXI method. In subtraction, we have used direct method. And in multiplication, in IXI method, we have done the sums related to 2-digit multiplication. Now kids, in my last video, I have told you that it is a practice paper 1 and I have divided it into parts. Slowly, we will take each topic again. So, in my last video, I have taken subtraction direct method, multiplication IXI method 2-digit. Now, today, we will do the sums related to multiplication 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit. Means, today, in today's video, we will do practice paper 1 part 2. And in part 2, we will do the sums related to multiplication IXI method, but not 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit. So let's start kids with the first sum. Now kids, it's our first sum. As you can see, it's a 3-digit sum. Now, as with your old method, if you will do, it will contain 3 rows. But you can see that it only contains 1 row. This means that we will solve it in 1 line. Now students, as you can see that it is a 3-digit IXI method multiplication. See, it's a revision video. So, these sums and this method we have discussed in the previous videos also. So, the students who want it from the base, means who want it very nicely, they can go through the old videos also. Now, first of all, as you know, in 3-digit, 3 means I, X, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Now, after 3, repeat counting. 2, 1. So this is the pattern for 3-digit. As you know, it's a 3-digit. So first of all 1, then 2, then 3. You can see 3 cross are there. Then after 3, see it's a 3-digit. So after 3, we will do back counting. After 3, 2, then 1. Now, you have to start your calculation from right hand side. Now, let's start. First of all, I. As you can see, I. Now, multiply them. 6 3s are 18. 8 here. 1 will go carry. Now, after I, 2 digits we will take. 1, 2. See, multiply them and add them. 5 3s are 15, 6 1s are 6. Add them. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here, 1 will go carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So, it's 21. And 1 was carrying. So, 21 plus 1, 22. 2 here, 2 will go carry. Next, after this, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now take, see, 3 3s are 9, 6 2s are 12, 5 1s are 5. Add them. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 6 here, 1 will go carry and it's 2, 26. Now 26 and plus 2, 27, 28. 28, 8 will come here, 2 will go carry. Now after 3 multiplication, you can see after 3, back counting of 2. Now kids, first of all, we have started our calculation from right hand side. So we are taking the numbers from here. Now in back counting, we will take the numbers from left hand side. Means 2 means these two. We will left this. In back counting, means from here in back counting, we will take the numbers from left hand side. Now add them. 3 1s are 3 and 5 2s are 10. 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 5 here, 1 carry. Now after 2, 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is your answer. It's 75,828. I hope kids that you get this 3-digit multiplication sum with IXI method. If you want to study it more nicely and from the base, so you can go through this IXI method videos in my channel. So now kids, let's move to the second sum. Now kids, it's your second sum and as you can see that your sum is a 4-digit number. Now for 4, just write the pattern. See, for 4-digit, first of all we will do the counting from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines and 4 lines. Now after 4, as you can see, your sum is a 4-digit number. So after 4, back counting. After 4, 3, 2, 1. 4-digit. This is a pattern for 4-digit. You can learn this pattern really easily, kids. Your sum is a 4-digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and after 4 back counting. 3, 2, 1. Now let's start. See. First of all 1. This first. 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 carry. Then rub it. Then after 1, 2. Now 8 3s are 24. 2 1s are 2, add them. 4 plus 2, 6 and 2. Now 26 and plus 1, 27. 7 will come here, 2 will go carry. Now after 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We are taking the numbers from right hand side. Now 8 4s are 32. 7 2s are 14 and 3 1s are 3, add them. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. 49 plus 2, 49, 50, 51, 1 here, 5 will go carry. Now after 3 digit, what you have to do? 4, yes, see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to cross all. Cross and small cross. Now add. See 8 5s are 40. 6 2s are 12. 4 1s are 4 and 7 3s are 21. Add them. 4 5 6 7 and 4 plus 2 6 and plus 1 7. It's 77. Now 77 plus 5. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. 82, 2 here, 8 will go carry. Now after 4, back counting. Now when you are doing back counting, you will take the numbers from left hand side. Now after 4, 3. But from left hand side, and this will remain empty. Now 5 ones are 5, 6 3s are 18 and 7 4s are 28. Add them. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21. 21 1 here, 2 will go carry. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. It's 51. 51 plus 8 it's 59. 9 will come here, 5 will go carry. It's a lengthy sum kids because it's a 4-digit multiplication, and the calculations I am doing by writing, you can solve it in your mind also. Now after 3, 2. Now 7 5s are 35. 6 4s are 24. Add them. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 2 5. It's 59. 59 plus 5. 64. 64 4 here. 6 will go carry. And now the last single. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 6 36. So this is your answer. You can see kids that the answer is so lengthy. See, if you have to multiply any 4-digit number and you have multiplied it directly by your old methods, so by this method, if your answer gets wrong, so by this method also you can check your answer. Yes, this method is also very useful for checking the sums. You can use this method for checking also in exams. So this is a 4-digit multiplication. Now kids, we are moving for 5-digit, and 5-digit is the last. 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit today we will discuss. Now students, it's your third sum and it's a 5-digit number. So for 5-digit, what is the pattern kids? See, it's a 5-digit number. So we will go with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 5. See, 5 is there, 4 and one more rod in between, 5. And after 5, back counting, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it is for 5-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after 5, back counting, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's apply this pattern in our sum. Now, first of all, 1. 5 4s are 20, 0 here, 2 will go carry. Now this. Now 2. 2 we will take, 6 4s are 24, 7 5s are 35. Add them, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 2 5, 59. 59 plus 2, 59, 60, 61. So 1 will come here, 6 will go carry. See, try to do the calculations orally. Now 3. We are taking the numbers from right hand side. Now 4 4s are 16, 6 5s are 30 and 7 6s are 42. Add them. 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. 88. Now 88 plus 6. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 94, 4 here, 9 will go carry. Now students, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do, see, 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 6s are 36 and 7 4s are 28. Now add. See here, 5, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 2 20, 21. So 1 here and 2 will go carry. Now 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. So it's 91. Now we have to add this 9 here. So 9 plus 1 10, 0 here, 1 will go carry. So it's 100. So 0 will come here and 10 will go carry. We have to take only one digit and rest of the digit will go carry. Now after 4, 5. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 4 2s are 8. I can rub this so that we can do our calculations here. Now 4 2s are 8. 5 1s are 5. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21 and the mid one 6 4s are 24. Now add them. See kids, 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 4 21, 21 plus 5 26. 6 here, 2 will go carry. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, it's 76. Now 76 plus 10, it's 86. Now 6 here and 8 will go carry. Now after 5, 4. Back counting and the numbers will start from left hand side. Now 7 2s are 40. 6 1s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Add them. See 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 2 20, 0 here, 2 will go carry. 2 3 4 5, it's 50. Now 50 plus 8 58. 8 here, 5 will go carry. Now after 4, you know very well, back counting after 4, 3. Now it's small. 6 2s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Add them. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15. 5 here, 1 will go carry. Now it's 25. Now 25 plus 5 30. 0 here, 3 will go carry. After 3, 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Add them. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12, 2 here, 1 will go carry. And the last now, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So your answer is this. See kids, it will be lengthy because it is a 5-digit multiplication. So your answer is kids 3208604109. 0. I hope kids that you understand this. See, these methods you can use for checking your answers also. See kids, with this video I have given you one PDF. In that PDF there is practice paper 1 part 2 sums. Yes, those sums you have to do in your Vedic maths notebook, and please write the heading also, that is practice paper 1 part 2. With this video kids, we have completed our multiplication IXI method 2 digit. I have explained you in the previous video. Today we have completed 3, 4 and 5. So kids, complete all your pending work and make a regular study timetable. And if you face kids any problem in any sum or PDF, so you can contact me in my number which I provided you in the message. So kids, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to the Vedic Maths classes to learn more methods. Thank you.